Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll talk about how you can make money on YouTube even without having any subscribers. Many people believe that income can only be earned through the YouTube Partner Program. In other words, they think it's impossible to make money unless you meet the specific watch hour and subscriber requirements. But that's actually a big misconception. In reality, there are several ways to make money, and one of the most powerful ones is affiliate marketing. Yes, you heard that right. Even with 0 subscribers, it's absolutely possible to earn serious income through affiliate marketing. You don't need any special approval or to be part of a specific program to do this. We've been using this method on some of our own channels, and even with a small subscriber count, we've achieved great results. Remember, there are countless ways to earn money online. When your channel is small, brands may not want to collaborate with you, and you might not even be accepted into the YouTube Partner Program yet. But affiliate marketing stands apart from all these limitations and can provide you with one of the most practical sources of passive income. How does affiliate marketing work? It's actually quite simple. Choose a reliable product, create a video about it, and place your affiliate link in the video description. When someone watches your video and purchases the product through your link, you earn a commission. That's it. Here are the main steps. Choose quality and trustworthy products, create videos that offer real value to people, add your affiliate link in the video description, post content regularly. You can also include a short and honest note like this to build trust. This is my affiliate link. If you purchase through this link, I earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you for your support. This transparent approach helps you build trust and a real connection with your audience. You can easily withdraw your commissions to your bank account or online services such as PayPal, Payoneer, or Wise. Why affiliate marketing? Because it offers the highest potential with the lowest initial cost. You don't need to show your face or have a big budget. Just find the right products and create engaging videos that attract people's attention. Even after a few videos, you can start seeing results. If you want, you can even create foreign channels, Spanish, etc., and reach a global audience. Thanks to AI tools, making videos has never been easier. You don't need to appear on camera. You can create professional-looking videos in just a few minutes using voiceovers and visuals. If you want to learn affiliate marketing in a practical way and take your skills to the next level, the 5-in-1 Pro e-commerce affiliate course is perfect for you. In this comprehensive training, you'll not only master affiliate marketing but also discover the essentials of e-commerce on popular platforms like Amazon FBA, Amazon dropshipping, and digital marketing. The course is affordable, but keep in mind it's in Turkish. However, there are several ways to translate the videos using AI. Imagine, the course includes over 300 video lessons and cost only a one-time fee of $11 to $15. Of course, this is totally optional, because in this video, we've already explained one of the most effective methods in detail. All that's left for you is to take action. To sum up, as long as you choose the right products, share them, and stay consistent, you can succeed. Whether you promote digital products, physical products, or ebooks, it doesn't matter, everything is in your hands. All you need is a YouTube account and your unique affiliate link from an affiliate network. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends or on social media to help more people discover this information. Please subscribe, comment, and like. Thank you for watching the video, and wishing you great success and income.